Hotapu everyone. This is His Majesty Ra Sumabafagbeimi, the world's first openly African black gay king. And the role of a king is to nourish and protect his people. And today I wish to do so by providing you with the Kamau ancient Egyptian view of how to be eternally optimistic. The key to infinite positive thinking is to make who you think you are, who you define yourself as, very clearly. Because your self-image creates your self-esteem, and your self-esteem creates how you treat yourself and other selves. So the first level of order is, who are you? Are you your job, your marriage, your success, your money, your failures? Well, who are you? The answer is in Amun. Amun. Amun means the hidden intelligence that's running the universe. It's the hidden cosmic intelligence running all things through science formulas in the universe. Everything in the universe is run by a formula. Rain, waves in the ocean, the growth of a clam in a shell, how long a woman has a baby in her womb. All these things are run by rules, laws, programs. The maker of these formulas of science, these rules of nature, is Amun. So he is hidden, meaning you can't observe consciousness. You can only see its effects. So you'll never be able to, with your senses, see consciousness or detect it, because it's a hidden dynamic, a hidden principle. He's the hidden observer. So he's the observer of your life, observer of your actions, and he's always calm. So he's now the calm observer. We're going to build more adjectives. He's the calm, genius observer of all of your life's activities. He's the calm, genius observer filled with infinite creative solutions to everything that comes your way. So who are you? The answer must be, I am Amun. I am the calm observer filled with infinite creative solutions to whatever comes my way. Whatever your job is, you're a mother, you're a father, you're a child, you're a student, you are a researcher, you are a basketball player, you are a basket weaver. As long as you stay calm in those fields, when a challenge comes in those fields, through that calmness, you just open to your awareness that I am that which is observing this and seeing how to creatively deal with it in a win-win fashion. If that's the foundation of your positive thinking, the number one positive affirmation of your identity, your self-image, all subsequent positive thinkings about money and affirmations about health and about love become much more powerful. They're now built on a solid, stable foundation. So if I know this, no matter what happens, you're going to be optimistic, because you're saying, I'm observing this issue quietly and calmly, and I know that I can solve it. I'll just have to be calm through it. And the intuitions, the solutions will come from out of nowhere, invisibly. Amun, invisibly. The word Ah means great. Mun means stable, abiding, reliable, and steady. So Amun means the great mental stability that comes when I know I'm the observer who can solve anything. When you know who you are, you become greatly stable, greatly calm, meaning greatly stress-free. If you're calm, you can't be stressed. Amun had kin. One was called Hehe, which means infinity. One was called Nenu, which means inert. So Hehe means Amun is infinite. He's omnipresent. He's everywhere. So no matter what you're going through, the darkest hour, even in that moment, Amun is there. Your capacity to calm down through it and tap a solution is there. The Nenu means calm down, and the Hehe means every moment of my life. I can handle this moment. I can solve this issue if I just calm down and tap the hidden genius within me. Believe and have the conviction in my hidden genius to handle my life. Ra means the force of the sun, light, radiance, energy to do work, a tool or instrument for doing work. But if I extrapolate that into a more psychological understanding, as in a psychiatrist's understanding, Ra would be to radiate your best and brightest, to do your best and to do your brightest in every action. If you are writing a paper, you want to pour your best into it. Do your best so it radiates that best, that excellence, that commitment and conscientiousness. Ra is like conscientiousness in your actions, doing them with heart, with energy, with passion, and with excellence. So you shine in it like the sun. So when it's done, it shines. If you are basket weaving and you make it Ra made, meaning you've poured your best and brightest into the act, not only do you radiate bliss and happiness and pride in your work, but the actual basket you wove has a kind of field of energy around it, a kind of vibe or life force, we could say, that has that love in it, that excellence. When you have people who cook well, you can tell when they love cooking. The food tastes different. The food is filled with their chi. Ra means chi, ashe, energy. Different types of nations call it different things. But when the cook does it with their best, and they want to radiate their love and their passion for this act, it changes the food's taste. It changes the way the basket is appealing to you. You combine Amun-Ra here, it means when I'm calm, knowing that I am the infinite creative solutions to my life's issues, that leads me to then radiating and performing my best in this moment. When I know that I can find the solution to this if I just calm down, and then I commit to now with this calm intuition of how to handle it, do your best, do your best, do your best. You now have become and have invoked Amun-Ra. My goal is to take these high and lofty teachings of ancient Kemet and to bring them home in a way that you can actually use them in modern times. My approach is to convert the teachings and to reveal their more psychological side. They have many layers of sides. It's polyvalent to the nth degree. But I want to focus on the psychology side. I want to create a school of modern, ancient psychology, positive thinking. That's why I call it the Kemetic positive thinking system. So, no matter what you do, stay calm through what you're going through. Tap the fact that you are able to find a solution. You are intelligent in this moment. You have a genius in you. Just let it come through. And once you let it through, do your best with that information. Do your best, given what you have in front of you. I have at my website a link to a book you can get of my Metaphysical Primer Volume 2, which goes into much more detail about the dynamics of this and the teachings and the details of this kind of thing. Also, the Metaphysical Primer Volume 1, now that I'm recalling it, talks a lot about Amun in the beginning half of the book. So go to this link to get the book if you are able to. Stay positive, know who you are, you genius who can solve all your problems and radiate your best. And may Amun-Ra, the genius and excellence in you, radiate and surround you in all that you do. Dwawen Totepu.